What's up, y'all? It's Breakpoint. Welcome back. Today we are making Reese's Peanut Butter Cup ice cream. We are using 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. We're going to use 1 can of condensed milk, vanilla extract, and I already blended some Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. You can chop it, you can blend it, whatever you like, however big the chunks of you want, okay? But first, you have to make sure all of your ingredients are chilled. We're going to whip the heavy cream with this blender first, because that is the best way that we found to do this. Get it a little chunky, then you add in the rest of your ingredients, okay? So we're going to blend this and we'll be right back. All right, folks, our whipped cream has peaked and we're going to throw this condensed milk in with the whipped cream, the heavy whipping cream, I should say. Like I said, folks, make sure it is chilled in the refrigerator. And then we're going to add about half a tablespoon. If you like vanilla, add a whole tablespoon. We're going to add half a tablespoon in there with the heavy whipping cream. I'm going to fill this about halfway because this is a whole tablespoon. Throw that in there. And we are going to throw our Reese's Peanut Butter Cups that we blended earlier right on top. Okay. We're going to mix this up for a little bit and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, folks, our ice cream mixture is done. Put that in the sink. I want to check that out. That looks so delicious. And we're going to freeze it overnight. Yeah, you're definitely going to like this ice cream. I'm so excited to try this. Smells absolutely divine. We're going to throw this in a container and we're going to freeze it overnight. And we will be back tomorrow to show you what the final product looks like. Man, we can make our own homemade blizzards out of this too. I'm excited. Who needs Dairy Queen? You have a hand mixer. All right. Check that out. That looks scrumptious. We're going to throw this in the freezer and we'll be back. Welcome back, y'all. It has been about 8 hours. I like my ice cream a little softer. This is kind of reminds me of a blizzard, actually, is what it looks like. This would be delicious. If you want to see that, check that out. Looksbomb.com. Reese's peanut butter ice cream going in. I could definitely eat that whole thing, y'all. The recipe will be down in the description below, and I hope y'all enjoy.